everyone and welcome to Biz Analyst. Today we are going to learn how to use refer and earn offer on Biz Analyst. It's quite simple to use and very beneficial. Now if you know anyone who you think could benefit by using Biz Analyst app or anyone who needs Biz Analyst app, all you need to do is refer the app to them. Now when they buy the application or buy a subscription, you get 1 month free added to your subscription and they get 1 month free added to their subscription. Now let's see how this is done. Open up your Biz Analyst application and on the dashboard you have the menu icon on top left of the screen. Click on this. Now under menu in my accounts you have refer and earn. Click on refer and earn option. It leads you to the refer and earn page. Now you'll see refer and earn button here. Click on this. Now you can send the referral code via either WhatsApp or messages or mail. I'm going to use WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp. Now you have your contacts here. Click on the contact you wish to send this to. And now your contact will get your referral code as well as a little detail about the application itself. It's quite simple, effective, easy to use and very beneficial. It's a win-win situation for both you and whoever you're referring to. Now, if you wish to know more about this offer, get in touch with our team. We'll be very happy to help you or simply log in to bizanalyst.in. Thank you.